He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Man, it is fantastic out here today. It's supposed to be like 87, 88 degrees, not a cloud in the sky, man. Typical spring, summer type weather. Been looking forward to this for a long time. But anyway, as you know, we are, doing some sugar-free videos, and today we're going to make some beef jerky, okay? Now, you can buy beef jerky in the store, but the beef jerkies in the store are full of sodium and full of sugars and other stuff that is not probably good for individuals who have sugar issues, diabetes, pre-diabetic, or whatever you want to call it. So we're going to make our own. So we took an eye of round and we sliced it the other night as thin as I could. And then we marinated it for 36 hours in Hughes's orange marmalade. It's a sugar-free marmalade. I'm sorry, not marmalade, orange marmalade marinade. There you go. And it's sugar-free, just like the other sugar-free products. And the last sugar-free product I used, which was the Polynesian dipping sauce. We marinated that for 36 hours, laid it out on 4 racks, and then we sprinkled it with our typical seasoning, okay? And so we got them in, going to put them in the smoker here, and we're going to use the RECTEQ 700. We got it on its lowest setting, which normally is about 180 degrees. However, right now it's carrying a temperature of 182 degrees. And I know normally for beef jerky, you want to hang around 160, 165. But this is the lowest the RECTEQ goes, so we're going to go ahead and deal with that. We've done this before, and 180 has worked out just fine, okay? So the pellets that we're using in here today is a combination of the RECTEQ pellets and the Kingsford human pellets. So we'll see if that adds any extra flavor or not, okay? So let's go ahead and get this stuff prepped up and get it on the 700. All right, guys, so we got all of our beef jerky here on our racks. We're gonna go ahead and get these in the RECTEQ 700. As you can see, I got the shelf in here so that I'll be able to use all 4 racks. These racks came out of my dehydrator, but they work great for beef jerky. We're gonna put 2 racks down here. And we're gonna balance a couple of racks at the top. Lay that flat. Forgive my fingers. Trying it like this, so hopefully it'll close. Okay, let's see if it'll close. No, not quite. Oh, that's because of the light in the back. Try it this way. May hold it open just a little bit, but being 180 degrees, we wanted to lower, so we'll see if that works. Okay, that'll work. All right, so we got them on. These were marinated in Hughes's orange marmalade marinade, so it's sugar-free. And then we did our typical garlic, chili powder, paprika, black pepper, and the kosher salt. Rub on one side of it. We didn't want too much salt on them, so we'll let these go for a couple of hours, and we'll see how they go. So the RECTEQ 700 is on the low setting, so the lowest the RECTEQ 700 will go is about 180 degrees, but with the racks, the way they're on the top, they'll keep it crack a little bit, so it should keep the temperature closer to 160, 170 degrees. Okay, so hey, we'll see what we get in a couple hours. Don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so it's been 2 hours since we've had our beef jerky on the RECTEQ 700. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what we got. That's not looking too bad at all, too bad at all. Nice and dry. Of course, like I say, this eye around had a lot of strands of fat in it, so hopefully this will work out fine, but it is dry. So we're gonna go ahead and have a taste test. We're gonna take them all off and let them cool off. All right, don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so we finished with our jerky cook, but unfortunately, I cut these pieces of eye of round a little too thin. So in comparison to some of the other ones that are a little bit thicker, as you can see now, this one here actually has the consistency of jerky. This one here is technically beef brittle. Okay, so it's really thin. It's not really pliable, but what I have to say is that it has some fantastic flavor from the orange marmalade marinade and from the seasoning that we put on it. Okay, I'll put the seasoning ingredients in the description block of the video and stuff, but I'm going to have another taste test. I've already tasted it. It tastes pretty good, but let me go ahead and have another taste test. This is the really thin cut one. Well, I tell you, these have some fantastic flavor, man. I love this. Even though they're a little thin, a little brittle, they chew just fine. And hell, they're going to get eaten. That's for dang show. Next time I make some beef jerky, and I'll make some more later on this week, I'll try one of the other marinades, like the lemon pepper marinade by Hughes, and then we'll see how that turns out. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video on the lemon pepper jerky, and I'll go ahead and do that, right? Now, on some of the thicker cuts of beef jerky, it has the consistency of jerky, as you can see. It's not brittle at all. And so the thin ones are cut about, I guess they were cut about 1/8 of an inch, I guess. And the thicker ones were cut, I think, closer to 1/4 of an inch, okay, according to my my meat slicer. So I'll go next time. I'll go with the little thicker one. I think that's what I did last time, and they came out just fine. Like I say, these are like brittle type, but they're going to get eaten. Like I said, this is snacks for me to stay away from cookies and all that other crap, so I can watch my sugar. Okay, so that's why I make my own, so that I don't buy anything that has sugar contained in it, or an excess amount of sodium, or all those preservatives to keep stuff on the shelf for an extended period of time. Okay, well, that's about it. Hey, let me know if you like this video. Please leave some comments down in the bottom of the description block, man. Hopefully you guys are entertained by some of our videos and stuff like that, so you hang with Bad Beats Barbecue. Okay, and that's about it. So hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If there's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there, or a RECTEQ making some jerky brittle for your afternoon. Hey, we'll see you guys in the next video. Good stuff.